What's up YouTube? In this video we are going to learn how to install any EVM compatible blockchain on Metamask. In the previous video we learned how to install the most popular EVM compatible blockchains using Zapify. So using Zapify, in the last video we have installed 14 to 15 the most popular blockchains on the Metamask, such as Arbitrum, Aurora, Avalanche, Binance, Wanchain, Silo, Chronos, the Ethereum Mainnet, Arbitrum, Fantom, Gnosis chain, Harmony One, River, Optimism, and Polygon. So in this video we are going to look at more blockchains. As you can see in the previous video, we learned how to install Polygon, Optimism, River, Harmony One, Fantom, Arbitrum, Chronos, Telos, Binance, Wanchain, Avalanche, Aurora, and Arbitrum. So the Zapify platform is only limited to 14 different EVM compatible blockchains. So in this video, we are going to learn how to install more EVM compatible blockchains on Metamask. So let's explore another DeFi Web3 dashboard. So let's go to dbank.com. There's another Web3 dashboard which is more advanced than the Zapify. So on dbank we can explore more EVM compatible blockchains, which are many in number actually compared to Zapify, since Zapify is limited to only 14 to 15 blockchains. So on dbank we can see there are so many different blockchains. So let's explore dbank right now. So this is the home page. Actually, this is my profile page on the dbank. Let me change the light mode from light to dark. Okay, so actually this is our profile. So on our profile, if you scroll down to the right hand side, you can see all chains here, and as you can see on the all chains, there are Ethereum, Binance Wanchain, Gnosis chain, Polygon, Fantom, OKC chain, Heco, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Optimism, Telos, River. Most of these we have already installed them on our last video. So on this video we are going to look at some of the few blockchains such as OKC, Heco, Boba network, Metis, Andromeda, and the other chains. So and the best place to discover or to look for this and to install all this automatically without copying the network name and inserting them into the Metamask, we are going to another platform called chainlist.org. On chainlist.org you can automatically install all these popular or the latest EVM compatible blockchains on Metamask. Let's first connect our Metamask to the platform which is called Chainlist. If you watch our previous video, you may see that we already used Zapify to install the top 14 most popular blockchains using Zapify, and in this video we are going to use another platform called Chainlist, and Actually, on this platform, you can install almost any other EVM compatible, not just the most popular top 15, 14 or 15. Okay, so on this platform, let's say we are going to install Kava blockchain. You just search the name on the platform and you can just click add to Metamask. So your Metamask wallet will just pop up, and then it will ask you whether you want to add it on the list of your EVM blockchain on the Metamask or not. So here is the network Bittorrent. Actually, you can see the network name, Kava EVM, and the network URL, which is also down there, the chain ID, the currency symbol. Let's click view all details, and the block explorer URL. So with this information, then you don't need to copy anything. You just have to click on approve. Once you click on approve, the Metamask wallet is going to ask you whether you want to switch from the Ethereum mainnet that we are currently on. As you can see on the top, we are on the Ethereum mainnet. And if we want to switch between Ethereum mainnet to Kava, the new installed blockchain that we added on our Metamask, then we will click switch network. So if we check our Metamask right now, you can see that we switch from mainnet wallet, Ethereum mainnet wallet to the Kava. Yes, if you can see at the top right here, you can see we are currently now on the Kava EVM blockchain. So if we want to add another one, let's say Theta blockchain, we just have to type the name Theta blockchain. You can see here is our Theta network, the Theta mainnet that we want to install on our Metamask. So let's add it and then go back to debunk and explore some of the latest Ethereum layer 2 scaling solutions such as Boba network, Metis network, and other networks such as Telos and others. So we have already installed it. Just right now, by one click, we have installed the Theta mainnet. So now we are switching from Kava EVM mainnet, which is Kava network, to Theta mainnet. If we switch it, right now we can confirm it on our Metamask wallet to see whether we switch or not. So right now we are waiting for the Metamask. Yes, as you can see, right now we're on the Theta mainnet. So, and the utility token is called TFuel. So yes, we are on the Theta mainnet. So let's go back to debunk and explore some of the options right there. So actually this is a brand new wallet. We don't have any coin or token on it. So basically right now there are very slim options you can see. So if we look at the network that we didn't install on our first video, there are many actually. So debunk supported more than 30 something different blockchains, and actually in our first video I think we installed between 14 to 15 videos, EVM blockchains on the Metamask. I think we have installed the Ethereum, which is actually the default network on the Metamask wallet. BSC chain, we installed it using Zapify, Gnosis chain, Polygon, Metis, Fantom. We installed it actually, but we didn't install OKC, Heco. Okay, so now we are going to install both OKC and Heco using shell list, and the best way to do it is by searching. Let's search OKC first. Okay, we are searching OKC now, and it will pop up. Okay, I think it's OKX exchange. Yes, this is OKX chain. That means OKC mainnet. Okay, here is we have to OKX chain. This is the network that we are looking for now. If we click on add to Metamask, so now we are adding the OKC mainnet to our Metamask wallet. So let's wait for the Metamask wallet to respond and then add it. Now here's the network details. Let's click approve and add it. So now we are switching from the Theta mainnet to OKC mainnet. Switch to network. So let's confirm it on the Metamask. Okay, so as you can see, we are now on the OKX, which is OKC chain, OKX chain. So we are already at the network now. So seems like it's looking okay. Let's go for Heco, which is a Huobi exchange chain. Heco. Yes, here is Huobi Echo chain. Okay, let's add it also to Metamask. So here is the network data for the Huobi Echo chain, which is known as Heco. So let's click on approve. We have added now. Then we switch from OKC chain to Heco, which is Huobi Echo chain. We are switching now. So it seems like we switch already. Let's confirm it on Metamask. Yes, we are now on the Huobi Echo chain, which is known as Heco. Here is our previous chain, which is OKC. Here is the second one that we have installed today, which is Theta mainnet, and the Kava EVM mainnet also. So let's also look for another chain that we didn't install in our first video using Zapify. So they are not highlighted currently because we don't have any coin actually on them. So we have added Avalanche, Arbitrum on our first video, Optimism, Telos, Moonriver, Kronos, Boba. We didn't install Boba because Zapify does not support Boba and Metis chain. So let's add Boba using Klaytn and then Metis Andromeda. Boba network. Yes, here is our Boba network. It seems like the Boba supported two chains. So let's add the first one. I think it's the default network. Yes, here is the logo for Boba, and this one does not have any logo. Seems like this is the default logo for Ethereum. So let's add the one with the valid logo to Ethereum. So now we're adding Boba network to our Ethereum, to our Metamask wallet. We're now waiting for the Metamask to respond. Yes, here is the network detail for the Boba network. So let's approve, which means we're adding, and then switch from Heco network to Boba, which is now, which has been installed right now. So let's switch the network now and confirm it on the Metamask wallet. Yes, it is done. Seems like our Boba network has been installed also on our Metamask wallet. So let's add the Metis Andromeda, Metis chain, which is another Ethereum scaling solution. Okay, we are now adding Metis Andromeda on our Metamask wallet. With Telos, you can add as many EVM compatible blockchains as you want, because there are too many. I think there are more than 100 in number, so you can add as many as you like. So now we're switching from Boba to Metis Andromeda mainnet. Seems like we already installed it, so let's confirm on Metamask. Yes, here is Metis Andromeda. It has been added now. So everything looks good. Let's look for another chain on debunk. Since debunk is supporting many chains, this is Bittorrent chain. So we didn't install it on developer in our first video, but we installed Aurora chain, which is the EVM compatible chain for near blockchain. We installed the Moon River, but we didn't install the MoonBean. This is Smart BCH. We installed the Harmony, but we didn't install the Smart BCH. Fuse chain, Astar, Farm chain, Shiden, Klaytn. Okay, I think we only install Harmony here. Right now we are going to install Bittorrent chain, MoonBean, Smart BCH, Fuse, Astar, Farm, and Shiden network plus Klaytn. So let's add the Bittorrent first, Bittorrent chain, and then Smart BCH, then followed by MoonBean. Let's type Bittorrent. Yes, here is the Bittorrent chain, which is BTT. So let's add to Metamask. So here's the network detail for the Bittorrent chain. Let's click on approve, but we are not switching because the networks are too many. Let's just add as many as we can and then switch later. Then Smart BCH chain, Smart BCH, yes, Smart Bitcoin Cash. This is the network. Let's add to Metamask. Then after this we are going to add MoonBean, Astar, and false chain, false blockchain, false network, fuse like this. So here is the network detail for the Smart Bitcoin Cash. So let's approve and then cancel, because this one is enough for adding the network. You don't need to switch. The next one is MoonBean. Yes, here is the MoonBean. Actually, let's add the MoonBean. So it seems like we added the MoonBean because the Metamask wallet is asking us to switch between Metis, Andromeda to MoonBean, which is not necessary. Let's cancel since we added the MoonBean and then add another chain. Let's add another chain, which is Fuse network. So here is the chain that we are looking for, which is Fuse Mainnet. Fuse or SparkNet. I don't know this network. Let's add the one that we know. So this is the Fuse Mainnet that we are looking for. So we are adding the Fuse Mainnet now. So here is the network detail for the Fuse Mainnet. So as you can see, here is the network name, network URL, which is RPC, chain ID, currency symbol, which is Fuse, view all details, block explorer URL, so and so on. So let's add it also. Let's approve and add the network on our Metamask. So let's switch from Metis Andromeda to Fuse Mainnet now. Let's confirm our networks, the number of networks that we added, which is 3. So we are waiting for the Metamask right now. So we are currently now on the Fuse, and here are the networks that we added. We added the first one. Oh, sorry, we added 4 different chains. Here's the Bittorrent chain mainnet, and then Smart Bitcoin Cash, MoonBean network, and then Fuse Mainnet, which is Fuse chain. So let's go and look for another different blockchain to add. So it seems like we added the Bitcoin. Bittorrent chain, and then MoonBean, Smart Bitcoin Cash, Fuse chain. Now we are going to add Astar, Fantom, Shiden, and Klaytn. So let's go and search for the Astar, then followed by Fantom chain and Shiden. So let's search for Astar blockchain, Astar. This is Astar. So let's add to Metamask. So let's approve. Here's the network detail for the Astar blockchain. Let's add to Metamask and then cancel the switching. So let's add Fantom chain. Yes, here's the Fantom chain. Let's add to Metamask. I think the most important thing for using this platform, or the best thing for using this platform, is that you can just search for the network and then click on add to Metamask, and then you can automatically add the network without wasting any time. So here's the network detail for Fantom blockchain. Let's click on approve and then switch. No, that's not necessary since we added the chain. Let's go and search for Shiden, which is the third network. Shiden blockchain. Yes, these are the latest EVM compatible chains for the Metamask chain. So they are not yet very popular, but eventually they are going to become very popular very soon, because they are generating more buzz on the ground. So this is the network details for the Shiden network. So let's add to Metamask and then go for the Klaytn. This is the fifth chain that we added, and the Metamask is asking us whether if we want to switch from choose Mainnet to Shiden, which is not necessary for now. Let's go and add Klaytn. Then we check the Metamask to see whether our networks are intact or not. Let's go for Klaytn. Yes, here is the Klaytn mainnet. So let's add to Metamask. In fact, all the EVM compatible blockchains are listed here on the chat list. So if you want to add any new network to the Metamask, just come to chatlist.org and then search for the network and just click on add to Metamask. Then you eventually add everything. So here is the network detail for the Klaytn. So with Klaytn network, you can do many things. Let us just click on approve and add the network and then switch. Since this is the fourth network that we added recently, let's switch from Fuse Mainnet to Klaytn Mainnet and confirm on our Metamask whether our networks are intact or not. Yes, we are on Klaytn. So as you can see, here are the list of networks that we added recently. This is Astar, this is Wanchain, Shiden network, and then Klaytn Mainnet, Cypress. So actually everything is looking good. Let's go and look for another chains on the dbank Web3 dashboard. So I think there are many others such as Arbitrum, Nova, and others. So let's go to dbank direct. Let me go to the homepage. We can see it has returned me to my profile. I want to scroll down, but okay, I didn't click on any chain first. Okay, I think we stop here on Klaytn, and as you can see, there are so many different chains such as RSA, IoTeX, KCC, which is Kucoin chain, Wanchain, Songbird, Avalanche. Okay, we already added this Avalanche chain on our first video. So this is DFK chain, this is Telos, and then Swimmer, Arbitrum, Nova, and then Canto. So Arbitrum, Nova, and Canto, they are the latest EVM compatible chains that recently everyone is talking on the social media because they are very, very new chains and they are so popular and people are trying to use them. So let's go and add Swimmer, Arbitrum, Nova, Canto, and then maybe Telos, and then we round off. Let's start with the Telos chain. Telos. Okay, here's the Telos EVM mainnet. Let's add to Metamask. Now we're waiting for the Metamask to okay. Here's the network detail for the Telos mainnet. Let's approve, and then we don't want to switch. Let's cancel. Since we added the Telos on the Metamask, let's go for the Swimmer blockchain. Okay, the streamer is not yet popular. I don't think the devs submitted their RPC detail. As you can see, you can submit your RPC. If you are developed on a certain blockchain which is new, you can come here and add your network, add your RPC and so on, and then submit it to the challenge directly. So it seems like the streamer blockchain does not have an RPC or a network information here for now. So maybe in 1 week or 2, they are going to add their network detail here on the challenge. So let's go and add Arbitrum Nova. Arbitrum Nova. Yes, here is the Arbitrum Nova. Let's add it on our Metamask. Yes, here is the network detail for the Arbitrum Nova. You can see the network name is right up here, and you can see the network URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and so on. Let's click on approve and add it automatically. So, do we want to switch from Klaytn to Arbitrum Nova? No, this is not necessary for now, since we add it on our MetaMask. The last one we want to add right now is Canto network. Yes, this is Canto network. Let's add it on our MetaMask. It is very new. Okay, chain ID returned by RPC URL Canto. Okay, does not match. Okay, this is a very brand new network. I don't think they submitted the full information about it for now. So Canto EVM, the chandrastation.com. Let's click on add to MetaMask. Oh, it's not working for now. It is a very new network. In fact, maybe perhaps it is currently on the beta mode, that is the main reason that it's not working. And on challenge.org, it is not only Mainnet that you are going to add on your MetaMask. Sometimes you can add testnets, and you can see the options here. There are some testnet, and there are, if you switch between left, right, if you are on the left hand side, that is the default setting. So that means you are on the mainnet section. And if you want to switch to testnet, you can just click on this toggle to the right hand side. So if you switch to the right hand side, then you are switching from the mainnet version of the challenge.org to the testnet version. So if we switch right now, then we are going to head to the testnet version of the challenge.org. So let's click on it and then see whether we are going to switch. And it seems like the challenge.org is not responding for now. Perhaps it is my network. I don't know for now. So I think with the challenge.org you can add as many chains as you want. So here is the platform. You can see there are so many different things. You see it has switched now from the mainnet to testnet, which was not responding earlier. You can see there are so many different blockchains. I think there are more than 100, and you can add as many as you want, depending on the network that you want to use. So you can come here and search for any network that you want. You can add as many as you want, such as Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, brand new chain that everybody is talking about right now. You can add System Coin, Web Energy Mainnet, and so on. You can add Moonchain, Oasis Chain, Bellas, Ultron, and Clean Network. So there are so many. The sky is the limit, because any developer can come here and add the network that they are working on if it's working. on the MetaMask. So I think this is the best part of using the Telos.org, and with dbank you can explore as many blockchains as you want, and it seems like it supports many different blockchains more than the Verify, the one that we have previously in our first video. So the Verify supports fewer networks compared to the dbank platform, which supports more, because on dbank you can see dbank supports so many different blockchains. They are not highlighted yet because we don't have assets on any of these chains. If to say we have, let's say, $100 on Ethereum, you can see the Ethereum has been highlighted. Imagine if we have another $100 on Binance, Wanchain, Polygon, OKC, Avalanche, and so on. So this wallet has been created for the sake of this tutorial. So that's why it has $0 on it. But in our next video tutorial, we are going to add some fun and try out some of the features for using DeFi online. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to save your seed phrase. Don't share it with anybody online, because your seed phrase for Metamask wallet is like the master key for your wallet, and don't share it with anybody. If you share it with anybody, that person will have direct access to your wallet. So thank you guys for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.